We have seen so many beautiful examples of classic Aussie architecture, but there can only be one winner. So the winner from today's Aussie Architecture category is Adrian Ramsay Design.
Australia is full of amazing homes. There's amazing architects and amazing designers in Australia, so it's a big call to say, is it Australia's best house? Gabrielle Poole, beautiful stepping stone to lift yourself off from. I do think that when a home is fit for purpose for the environment, for the client, and it tells their story, and maybe that's why it's Australia's best house.